Welcome to this C coding tutorial guys. In this tutorial I will explain you how to use the else statement. In the previous video you have learned the use of if statement. If the user enters 12 which is the correct number, then the line shows congratulations, you have entered a correct number. So here in this task we will write a code further and use the else statement so that if the user enters incorrect number, it displays you have entered incorrect number. So here I am writing the response for incorrect number as a comment. And now let's write the logic. So I am writing here else, and this is the block of else statement, the curly brackets, and in between these I am writing print f, and in between these inverted commas I am writing sorry, you have entered incorrect number. We have to make sure that else block should come after the if block. So if I run this code and I'm writing first the correct number, so it shows the congratulations message, and now I'm running the code and I'm going to enter the incorrect number, which is 11, and it shows sorry, you have entered incorrect number. So that's how we use the else statement in C coding. We will do many practice tasks in upcoming tutorial. So see you in the next video.